The word of the day for today, January 12th, 2022, is corvine. Corvine. It's an adjective, and it means pertaining to or resembling a crow. Loved the origin on dictionary.com today. It tracked cognates through Old English from Latin, and cognates that, without study or without reading about the studies of others, we might not become aware of because it is not, it's, from C's to H's. You can see a C going to a K, C going to a CH, but from a C to an H, and through to R's and things. Pretty crazy. So we're taking a look at that. Examples were good and well demonstrated how to use the word and some poetry in some of those in the first example, and alliteration, a corvine colloquium. I think this is a word that people will find use for nowadays in their writing. The intelligence of crows has become something of interest, at least in the circles that I find myself in socially or social medially. And so corvine intelligence, you could describe, if you were writing, you could describe another animal or character and say something about their intelligence being resembling that of a crow, aka corvine. But pretty much anything else that is crow-like, I think I have myself experienced the incessant kind of, I'll have to look up what the word is, the cawing of crows. When I was in graduate school, I sat outside in a small square and had some lunch by myself during a break in our class, and was constantly cawed by crows. It was to me a corvine. What would we say? Well, certainly a corvine nuisance. And it did not stop for one gosh darn moment. And I don't think it was just two or three. I think it was, as the example talks about, a corvine colloquium, everyone coming together to tell each other and me how much they didn't like me sitting where I was sitting by myself, quietly, eating lunch. So if you learn about crows, you can find ways to use this word more fully. And I don't know a ton about crows, so maybe I'll look into that, and maybe you could too.